Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an Audi front emblem. Having the right tools makes this job much easier and prevents damage. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool, a new emblem, and a cleaning solution. Don't forget a soft cloth and maybe some gloves to keep things tidy. Preparation is key for a smooth installation. Now, let's get to removing that old emblem. Take your plastic trim tool and gently work it around the edges. The goal is to apply steady, even pressure to release the clips without scratching your grill. Be patient here. Rushing can cause unnecessary damage. Once it feels loose, carefully pull it away from the mounting points. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: for those moments when you're waiting for parts or just relaxing, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading car manuals or your favorite novel anywhere. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Before installing your shiny new emblem, it's crucial to clean the area thoroughly. Any leftover adhesive or dirt can prevent the new emblem from sitting correctly and securely. Use a mild cleaning solution and a soft cloth to wipe down the surface. A perfectly clean base ensures the best possible adhesion and a professional finish. With the area clean, it's time for the satisfying part: installing your new emblem. Carefully align it with the existing mounting points on your Audi's grille. Once aligned, apply firm, even pressure across the entire emblem. You should feel it click or adhere securely into place. Double-check that all clips are fully engaged for a perfect, lasting fit.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.